I go next? Yeah, can you hear me? What do I, okay. All right, I'm pulling up to it now. I see it ain't that many left. It ain't that many left. Okay, I want to give up this location. I don't want a whole lot of people to know about this location. Let's see. Up. Just letting y'all know, the Matrix is real. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to get up out of here. Peace, love, smile, shoot, galaxy. I am Zachary, and I see you. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, be kind to nature. The universe will support you and get you up out of this Matrix. Peace. Yeah.